before you start 2026 shouting, "New body, new me," wait. If you do weight loss the wrong way again, 2026 will humble you the same way 2025 did. Welcome to VitaAware. Let's fix your weight loss before January embarrasses you. First, let's clear some lies. Myth 1. Starving yourself does not equal weight loss. If starvation worked, everybody would be slim during heartbreak season. Starving slows your metabolism, makes your body panic, and store more fat. Then you gain weight faster later. Myth 2. Gym alone won't save you. If gym alone worked, all muscular uncles eating heavy meals at 11 p.m. would be shredded. Weight loss is 80% diet, 20% movement. You cannot outtrain a bad diet. Now let's be honest. Some of you say, "I don't eat much," but your snacks have been snacking. Hidden calories add up fast. Liquid calories like juice, soda, and energy drinks count. And please, small chops are not small. Some of you also drown soups and sauces in oil. Oil is your enemy most times, not food quantity. And water? Your body is 70% water, not 70% Coke. No water means more hunger, poor digestion, and slow metabolism. Now let's talk solutions because embarrassment is optional. First rule for 2026. Pick one method and stick to it. Stop mixing keto, intermittent fasting, calorie deficit, and I'll eat air for breakfast. Choose one. Calorie deficit. 16:8 intermittent fasting. Or 10K steps daily. Next, eat real food, not vibes. Your body is begging for vegetables, but you're feeding it like a 3-year-old left unsupervised. Protein. Fruits. Vegetables. Less processed food. If you can't pronounce it, your stomach probably can't either. Now, the most underrated weight loss hack, sleep. Sleeping 4 hours a day means stress hormones are high, cravings are wild, and belly fat feels at home. Poor sleep equals more hunger and slower metabolism. And here's the truth nobody likes. Consistency will save you. Weight loss is not dramatic. It's boring, steady, and slow. But boring things work. Look at banks. 30 days of consistency beats 1 week of madness. So before 2026 starts, set yourself up properly. One method. Real food. More water. Better sleep. And consistency. This is VitaAware, keeping your health simple, funny, and doable. See you in the next video.